as a coil brazer, once we get our coils, we use our return bins, we lace our coils, and we solder them. Then we'll get our headers and we'll put our headers on. And then after that's done, then we'll send it on to the next step in the process. The coils that we braze will go from small boosters up into really big coils. Any job can take anywhere from maybe an hour up into a whole shift. Each person that is on the soldering floor checks each other's work so that we make sure that we get our quality work down to the next process of what goes into a coil and it being checked.
Ray works with your schedule. When you have a baby, you can take off, and if you go to school, they work with your school schedules and your hours. Friday is usually overtime for everybody because we work 10-hour days, and anything after 40 hours is overtime, and then anything after 50 hours is double time. The coil shop is one of the busiest shops at Ray. They're really good about trying to get coils pushed through. That way our company makes more money. That way we can also get like bonuses and meet our goals for the week. Goals are very important for us in pushing out good quality work.
Ray instills teamwork within all departments by having a lot of employee interaction, employee functions together, so we all know each other better, not only as employees but as friends. Here at Ray, we cross-train in all positions to make sure that we work better as a team to make all the processes move smoothly, and we all show pride in a job well done.
We like to have fun here in the coil shop, but whenever it comes down to business, I am all for the business. I'm also here to help with whatever you need in life. I'm here to help you with the work life. You can ask me questions. I'm a very friendly person to come up to. As a manager of Ray Corporation, I do advise everybody to go out there and fill out an application. Ray's a very fun family atmosphere, and as far as my shop, if you just think about it, these are stuff that goes on top of buildings, really tall buildings, or even in schools or hospitals, and to know that you're actually making a difference is a fulfilling thought. I started out where I didn't know how to braze at all, and now here I am a supervisor. So there are steps out here that you can take, so please come join our team.